Problems with your shipping address on AliExpress can lead to delivery delays, failed orders, or packages being sent to the wrong location. In this video, I will show you how to fix shipping address on AliExpress. The first thing you have to do is to go to AliExpress app. In this page, you will go here to the sign of account. You will tap on your account. In this window, you will move to settings. Tap on settings here. In this list of settings, you will find shipping address. You will click in this window, and here you will find add shipping address or add a new address. You will tap and you will fill all your information here, and then you click on save to fix this problem. So this is how it works. If you enjoy watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to